Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then let's go and find Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth, and here simply tap on Reset Settings. Now let's enter your screen lock to confirm everything, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. This might take several seconds and you won't be able to undo this action, so be aware about that. So just tap on OK, and now we have to wait until we'll see this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.